This rescue dog is celebrating his very first birthday, and he has no idea it's for him. He spent most of his life abandoned. No home, no love, no family. Until now. Watch closely. The moment he realizes this is all for him, will stay with you forever. He's not just reacting to cake. He's reacting to finally being seen, to finally mattering to someone. This isn't just a birthday. It's the first time he's ever felt chosen. If this moment touched you, leave A in the comments for every rescue still waiting to be loved.